Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and today I'm coming at you with a card share video. I am joining hashtag 2crafters1design and hashtag said more make. So 2crafters1design, that's Melissa with Mo Creations, Lisa, you see I'm a diva, Gloria with Girlier's Cards. Set More Makes is Jill. She's Jillian Norwood Design Greenwood Girl Cards here on YouTube. So with hashtag Set More Makes, Jill would like you to create items throughout the week and share your items on Saturday morning. For 2crafters1design, they give you a theme each week, and this week is Valentine's Day cards. So of course I couldn't miss that one, even though I'm kind of running a little late today, as usual. But I do have a card to share. So let me show you what I used to create that card. So first up, I pulled out from my stash something that I don't use often, but I definitely am glad that I have, and that's the Primacolor Premier colored pencil. This was a gift from my husband, and so I have used them not very often, but I like that I have them so I can use them when I want. And it's 72 pencils included in this little tin. So I also used from Hobby Lobby these Valentine paper craft Valentine word foam stickers. There's 54 of them in here. And as you can see, one little heart is missing, and that's what I used. Also from Spellbinders, I used the Perfect Touch Arches and Tags. This has 7 cutting dies, and then the one in the middle is an actual tag. And then I used this embossing folder from Spellbinders. It's called Heart Blooms. It's just a regular embossing folder, and it's kind of hard to see the design. Oh, well, how about that? You can see a little bit better there. So that's what I used. And then the star of the show was this adorable Sweet Miss Daisy design stamp set. It's called Little Stinker, and it's actually a skunk, and it has a bunch of little sentiments and kind of geared toward birthday or if you're a little sick. And but I thought this was cute. Now, you're probably wondering, why did I use a skunk for a Valentine's Day card? Well, I'll share the card with you and tell you why. So here is the card I made. Super simple, not much coloring going on. I used some paper from Anna Griffin, her really beautiful shiny paper. I can't think of foil, paper. She has such wonderful colors. And then here's the little hearts from Hobby Lobby, just to make it be aware that it is a Valentine's Day card or a card dealing with love. So I'm going to give this card to my husband. And the reason being is that in the last week or so, 10 days maybe, there has been a lot of skunk activity in our neighborhood. So we're waking up, to the horrible skunk smell throughout the neighborhood, and it just penetrates your home. It gets in, and we just complain about it. And then I sometimes have problems with when it's really, pungent of have to hit my inhaler because I have asthma. So this is kind of like one of our little nemesis, this little skunk, but I thought he was so cute, and I think my husband will get a really big kick out of this card. And it says, from one stinker to another. And that's what we've been dealing with, being, the whole neighborhood kind of being stinky. So I think he'll find this very funny. So let me know what you think below. Be sure to check out everyone's hashtag. It's once again hashtag 2crafters1design and hashtag said more makes. I appreciate you watching the video. If you're new to my channel, I want you to consider subscribing. I am so close to 1,000 subscribers. I can taste it. Is that what they say? Yeah. So anyway, let me know what you think below once again, and I hope you all have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.